Advanced Toolpath Integration. Hello, everyone. Today I'll introduce a new feature in CypNest 2025 version 3 Straight Cut, Advanced Toolpath Integration. In this version, we've removed the advanced sort state. Multiple interfaces have changed in the software, including manual nest, sort, and toolpath editing. Next, I'll walk you through the changes from the 4 aspects mentioned above. First, let's look at the interface changes. Click Advanced Sort. In previous versions, applying the parameters here would delete previously added lead lines and add new ones based on the current settings. In the new version, this has been changed to Regenerate Lead. If the option is checked, the previous lead lines will be deleted, and new ones will be regenerated according to the parameters set here, just like before. If unchecked, the previously added lead lines remain unchanged. However, if the part's start point changes after sort, and its contour requires piercing, the system will generate lead lines using the previously set parameters. Let's check the current lead line settings. Measure it. Currently, the lead line is a 3 mm straight line. Click Advanced Sort. Leave Regenerate Lead unchecked. The part's start point changes, but the lead in line length and type stay the same. Now let's see what happens when Regenerate Lead Lines is checked. The lead line length is now regenerated based on the newly set 2 mm parameter. In previous versions, the advanced sort state would appear above the nesting area, like this, and the nesting could not be modified. But in the new version, the advanced sort state is no longer shown after sort. We can now continue nesting parts or modify the nesting result. For example, we can adjust part positions like this. However, note that when the nesting result is changed, the toolpaths and sequence for grouped parts may also change, so be sure to redo the sort. Next, let's look at manual nest. When a part is part of a co-edge group, in the previous version, clicking any part would lead to selection of the entire group. In the new version, only the individual part is selected, not the whole group. This makes it easier to manually adjust parts within a co-edge group. Now let's move on to sort. Click Auto Sort to bring up the Advanced Sort interface. Advanced Sort is simple and intelligent, and we recommend using it as the first choice. In previous versions, Advanced Sort required an internet connection. In the new version, it works offline, no internet needed. Of course, you can also switch by clicking the button in the top right corner. There's one change in the Auto Sort interface. In the old version, the option to generate co-edge toolpaths was checkable. In the new version, this feature is enabled by default. For manual sort, we no longer treat co-edge groups as a single unit for sort. Click Sort, and then select by part sort. You can see that parts within a co-edge group can now be sorted individually. The same applies to in part sort. We can select one part from a co-edge group and sort its inner contours. Finally, let's look at toolpath editing. In previous versions, double-clicking a co-edge group would open the group editing interface, where you could set toolpaths for the group. In the new version, Double-clicking the code edge group opens the entire nest result editing interface, the same as clicking manual editing. In this interface, you can sort toolpaths for nested parts, set techniques, and configure bridges and flying cuts. That's all for today's video.